UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. The UAV Lab's goal is to fulfill a lot of different research projects using UAVs. We outfit a lot of our drones with a lot of different instrumentation for gathering a lot of this data. Best parts about the College of Engineering for me so far has just been meeting all the different people involved and people from different backgrounds, different skill sets, and just seeing how they can all come together to achieve a common goal. Right now I'm training to be one of the main pilots for the lab. Coming out here and actually being able to apply kind of the basis of knowledge that I've gathered up in the College of Engineering so far, it's really kind of refreshing to see that stuff at work, and this is a really awesome way to do it.